Hi guys, short video here about these hearing aids. It's called OTC hearing aids. That's the box and that's the description, also with the model type. And I've been wearing these hearing aids, or at least one, the one on the left side now, for about 1 hour, and my experience is that it's not the best thing. So I mean, of course, it's cheaper than normal hearing aids. It's just around $100. Comes with rechargeable batteries and it doesn't look too bad. I think you can barely see them. I mean, of course, the main device is like with normal classic hearing aids behind the ears. I hope you can see that now, but from the side, or especially from the front, it's almost invisible. They are super comfortable to wear because they are super lightweight. You can easily push them into the ears or take them out. Take this thing out. I think they are quite solid build, robust, nothing to complain about the build. Then regarding the 3 buttons, I mean, we have the on off here in the middle. You have to long press, but the buttons are pretty hard to push, and especially when you have them in the back of your ears, can be pretty hard. I mean, you have to push pretty hard, almost causing some pain, and especially the minus is pretty hard to push from underneath to reduce the volume, and especially I think for older people to find the mode button in the middle. When you don't see anything, you just have to feel or touch, try to find the middle one. I mean, it's not impossible. For me, it was not a big deal, but anyway, it doesn't change a lot. I think it is supposed to change the frequency boost, either for the lower, medium or high pitch, something like that. But for me, it actually didn't do much. The most change was just with the volume change. I've been inside, outside, trying to talk to people, but actually the thing which it boosted the least was the voice. It boosted every mechanical thing, like every touch with the door, everything like touching other things, opening cabinets, everything was highly boosted. Also bird singing outside. If you're a bird lover, maybe that works perfectly for you. Birds, that's almost the only thing which you can hear outside. Crazy. You have the impression that there are sitting 1,000 birds right on top of your home or something like that. But it doesn't really sound very natural. Also, it's saying that it prevents every echoing, whistling, back coupling, these things which can lead to very high-pitched, almost painful sound. I have seen or heard this from many hearing aids already. Unfortunately, also this one has it a little bit. You have to be really careful when putting this into your ears. I highly recommend to do that either off, or when you have it on, then on a lower volume. Put the main device first behind the ears, and then after that the microphone and speaker are a little bit separated and you can easily push it inside, usually without causing any back coupling. And then first you remove this part and then the other part behind the ear, if you really want to buy this thing. But for me, the help was pretty limited, so I cannot really give you full recommendation for that. I don't know if it's really worth to try. I mean, it's working somehow, but for me it didn't give me the boost which I was expecting or hoping for. So again, boosted almost everything except from the voices, and I tried different frequencies, different volume and so on. That's it for now. I still hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.